And look, nobody on the beach. The whole beach just for ourselves. But it is hot on the beach. I must say, it is very hot. But look at this. Look at this. Bantayan Island, guys. The new Boracay. Undiscovered Boracay of Cebu. And yeah guys, we are at Bantayan Island on our way to go to the beach. So let's see how it looks like. Let's go. So we're staying at this place here. It's called Nanette's Tourist Inn. Up there, rooms about 1.5k per night with AC, refrigerator, shared kitchen. And our first time to go to the beach. Did you say we have to go down here? Oh yeah. It's supposed to be like 5 minutes away from the main beach here. So let's go see the beach. Now they also rent motorbikes, so tomorrow we'll be renting a bike and also go explore other beaches. The price of a bike rental here, 250 per day, which is about 4 euros, which is good. Sunday Flower Hotel and the local Filipino style living. Down there, I can see the beach. I can see the beach. It's not 5 minutes away, it's 1 minute away. So yeah, pretty good location, I would say. Yeah. Kind of nice, don't you think, guys? So this is called Bantayan Island. It's located north of Cebu, about 1 hour away with ferry from Hagnaya port at north of Cebu. Dogito! Poor Dogito. You're very poor. Sick Dogito. But okay. Yeah, it's in the Philippines, I guess. Look at this sea, guys. The gatito, the catito, and the cervecito. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Look at this tropical island of Philippines. And look, nobody on the beach. The whole beach just for ourselves. But it is hot on the beach. I must say, it is very hot. But look at this. Look at this. Bantayan Island, guys. The new Boracay. Undiscovered Boracay of Cebu. The turquoise waters. There's a Filipino waiting for you there in the waters. But yeah, look at this, guys. Very, very nice. Borat would say. So yeah, I think time for the first swim. And then we'll go and get some food or drinks there from the bar if it starts working. I think here in the evening all these bars would be full. There's one more there. There's another one there. I think that one is working. But yeah, Big Joe approves of Bantayan. So 10 days of this paradise here, guys. But yeah, as I told you, I'll try to show you also other beaches on the island as we get a scooter tomorrow. Peace and tranquility. And the hard life of Big Joe here with San Miguel Pilsen on Bantayan Island in the shades. So time to say bye-bye to the beautiful beach. Dogito, it's a she. Catito, it's also a she. Renting rooms. Almost every house has its sari store. This is those little shops that you see. This is our house in the middle of our street. Our house in the middle of our street. So yeah, who knows where it goes. Anyway, there's our brave truck driver. That will take us to lunch now. Filipina going to the room, but she'll be back. Barangay Youth Center across the road. But okay. And this is our truck driver taking us to city center. And off we go on the track.
So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you on the next one, guys.